Spectacular. Last week we ended near a huge motocross parcours and saw a burning car. Then we arrived at a very idyllic location with stunning views along the way. We're still in France but very near to the Pyrenees now. It was very narrow and very wet to park on the garden from the lady, but we managed perfectly. Although I'm walking on the road, I'm in an extreme nice scenery. Wait, I don't know if you can actually grasp this view. This is insanely beautiful. This is postcard. And my generator, I can hear him now. Because my solar panels don't work. And it's insanely nice solar weather at the moment, and I'm perfect located. Can you see my caravan? Right behind the tree, that's the house that I'm living, I'm staying, but the caravan is right there. And that's the view. Wow. Okay. I'm now walking to a church. This something like that. I think that's awesome. I don't think it's a lot of work on it. Oh, I'm already zoomed in all the way. This camera isn't very good in zooming. But as you can see, it's pretty far away. But it's a mini castle on the middle of a mountain. I'm not so sure these plants are... Whoa, this is a little bit of an oasis. But I don't think those palm trees are native. Wow, spectacular. Jeez, pretty spectacular. Spectacular. Are those clouds or mountains? Those are clouds. On the other side there are the Pyrenees. I can see mountains with a lot of snow on top. But this is spectacular. This view is spectacular. And the only thing I hear now are sheep, cow and a river, a stream. No cars, because there's a car and I can't hear him. No, it's too far away. And up. I think travel from a car is like really straight. If you go up, you kind of lose it. I'm like, what is it, 100 meters? Whoa, that was a fast sheep. 100 meters above that road? Maybe not even, I don't know, I can't say heights very well. Maybe it's higher, maybe it's low, I don't know. I kind of want to stay here a little bit longer, but snow is gonna come. And the moment snow is gonna come, I need to make a decision to go lower, which is probably best, but a lot, so maybe 6-hour drive to be sure, because the Pyrenees are like maybe 80 kilometers from here, starting the small Pyrenees. So once it snows here, it's gonna be bad, but it's still 12 degrees, so it's probably gonna take a little while. Wow. A spot like this, that's what you need. I see a lot of grass though, but I think sheep are doing that, and not those lawnmowers. Or farmers are gonna come and do it with tractors, and that's done in one day. A complete field, instead of those, how do you call them again? Those in English, bosmaaiers. Chainsaw? Yeah? No, it's not a chainsaw. Probably a lot of chainsaws also here. In a period, in a certain period of time. I go back to the caravan. Because the route that I took was completely different than the GPS. We had to go through barbed wire and all kinds of stuff. That's the view I was telling you about. I think our maker did a great job here, whoever that is. I think my caravan is like right there, somewhere. I'm actually walking here. Completely wildered, but I don't care. My brain is open. My brain is completely open. Awesome. Awesome. Last week I was complaining a little bit about my videos not doing good. I started this channel not with the idea to make money out of it or to get a lot of views or subscribers or whatever. I was carried away a little bit with my emotions that the channel is not doing well, that I didn't have subscribers like it's supposed to be, and for a growing channel. and it's also not able to grow because I don't do any effort to make it grow. I started this channel because of I wanted to document my journey to buy a property in Portugal and to go off-grid. Not off-grid because I like internet too much. So people tell you that they go off-grid, but mostly they aren't, by far. If they have a camera, then you're on-grid as possible. It's plastic. You need to be on-grid to have plastic. You need glass, you need ships, you need electronica, you need software. You're extremely on-grid. So no, and then you need to put it on the internet, which is on-grid by default. So yeah, that's a thing that's out of the way now. I'm gonna need to keep remembering myself that I'm doing this for the journey and not for the channel. Look at this view, guys. This is insane. Too bad there is a jet plane, otherwise it would be only birds here. Did I say everything? Yeah, I think so. It's nothing. It's my channel. I'm gonna do with it what I want. I'm not gonna try to have the top production. It's just if you want to follow my journey. So yeah, maybe I need to say this as well. I'm away now from Portugal. You're still in France. The way that was an animal towards Portugal, where I stayed for a couple of months. So yeah, what I'm saying now is 4 months in the future. So yeah, I'm not gonna spoil it just yet. I'll explain it along the way. So yeah.